सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो बच्चों? ठीक है, तो बच्चों ये जो पाठ 6 चिट्ठी का सफर पिछले सेशन में मैंने आपको लघु उत्तर और शब्द आदि दिया है। तो बच्चों आप लोगों ने लिख लिया क्लास वर्क में? वेदश्री, अनिकेत, दर्श, सूर्या, हरिओटी, हरीश, have you all finished your classwork notebook of the 6th chapter, children? If you are not finished, finish today itself. Okay, so today we are going to see the long answer questions जो है दीर्घ उत्तर। ठीक है बच्चों, ये जो यहाँ तक मैंने आपको बताया था, तो हम लोग आगे का देखेंगे वो जो है दीर्घ उत्तर। ठीक है, तो पहला जो प्रश्न है, पैदल हरकारों को किस किस तरह की दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ता होगा? जो पैदल, those who are only walking and giving the letters, no, so postmen will be there. So that postmen, what are the troubles they are facing? Okay, what are the problems they are facing when they are doing their work? Okay, so for that उत्तर, पैदल हरकारों को अनेक दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ता होगा। So many problems they are facing, like पहले तो मौसम की मार झेलनी पड़ती होगी। So first of all they have to face a problem like a season. Okay, suppose rainy season is there, it is very difficult to go. Okay, and sometimes it is having very hot. Okay, at that time is also it is very difficult to walk and go. Okay, so sometimes, so why we are saying like that now? Because these पैदल हरकारे mostly they are working like valleys places, hills places, mountain regions. Okay, so it is not very easy to walk on that ways, so it is very difficult at the time. Suppose the rain it is falling means at the time the way it is slippery. Okay, so they can't able to walk properly, so they have to take care of that letters what they are taking with them, so that all the things they have to take care. Okay, so when summer season it comes, at the time maybe they are traveling through the forest, so wild animals fear will be there, and the next robbers fear also will be there. Okay, so here that is only had given अत्यधिक गर्मी, सर्दी, वर्षा आदि को सहन करना पड़ता होगा. So they are facing like as a rain problem, and the next गर्मी, hotness, and the next winter season. Suppose if the winter season comes, so too much cold will be there. So at that time they have to face all these things, and they have to give the letters. अपने साथ डाक की सुरक्षा भी उन्हें करनी पड़ती होगी. So before I told no, so they have to take care of that letters, and what they are, if suppose money order they are getting, so that amount also they have to take care. Suppose some things they are going to send, okay, that one is also they have to take care. So डाकू लुटेरों अथवा जंगली जानवरों की चपेट में आ जाने का भी भय रहता होगा. So as I told no before only, so when they are traveling through forest, at the time wild animals they can attack, or otherwise some robbers they will come and they can attack. So these fear also, these afraid also they are having. अनेक दुर्गम स्थानों पर भी उन्हें पहुंचना पड़ता होगा. So दुर्गम means the way is not easy, very difficult, so very hard to reach. Okay, like the places they have to walk and they have to go and they have to give the letters. So for them it is, see how much very difficulty, because they are not having proper way to go. Okay, so like these problems they are facing, those who are working in the mountain regions or otherwise valleys regions. Okay, so have you all understood now? Now we'll see the next question. दूसरा जो प्रश्न है उसको देखेंगे हम लोग. पिन कोड के अलग अलग अंक क्या क्या दर्शाते हैं? So this one we had discussed. In pin code they had given some numbers. Okay, first one digit or otherwise first to do 2 digits. Next, what about the next 3 digits? After that, what about the last 3 digits, like that. Okay, what are the information they are giving? That one we'll see. पिन कोड 6 अंकों का होता है. At first the pin code it is there, only 6 digit pin code only will be there. Okay, 6 अंक means 6 digits only will be there. हर अंक का एक स्थानीय अर्ध होता है. For each and every number it is having particular place of that number. Okay, पहला अंक राज्य का नाम दर्शाता है. First number will be there no in that pin code, so that one it's showing that state. Okay, which state that number belongs to, it was mentioning that thing. अगले दो अंक राज्य का उपक्षेत्र दर्शाते हैं. So next 2 digits will be there no, so in that राज्य का that state, उपक्षेत्र means that capital will be there no, so that one it is going to show. Next अंतिम 3 अंक डाकघर का कोड दर्शाते हैं. Next last 3 digits will be there no, that one which post office it is related to, that one it is going to show. जहाँ से डाक बांटी जाती है. So from where that post that letters it is going to dispatch. Okay, so first it is actually pin code, it is having 6 numbers. Everybody has to remember this thing. Pin code it is having 6 digit number. So first digit it is going to show the which state number, that one it is going to show. Next 2 digits it is going to show the which place it belongs to. Okay, not capital, which place it is belongs to. Last 3 digits from which post office. For each post office they are having one particular code. With that particular code only they can know that letter from where it is going to dispatch. Okay children, have you all understood? सब लोगों को समझ में आई बच्चों? ठीक है, हम लोग चलते हैं अगला प्रश्न. तो दूसरा नेक्स्ट जो प्रश्न है डाक को और डाक ले जाने वाले को किनसे ज्यादा डर होता है? किनसे ज्यादा? दैट पोस्टल लेटर और डाक ले जाने वाले. सो दोज हु आर टेकिंग दैट लेटर, ओके, किनसे ज्यादा डर होता है? विथ whom they are going to afraid. Okay, so for this, as before also we had said, like as a robbers will be there, thieves will be there, and the next maybe wild animals fear also will be there. Okay, so that is only will be there. डाक को और डाक ले जाने वाले को. So postman and postman and those who are taking the letters for them, they are having the fear like डाकू, लुटेरों अथवा जंगली जानवरों से डर होता है. सो मोस्टली दे आर फेयरिंग अबाउट these thieves or otherwise robbers or otherwise wild animals, that fear will be there. डाक में मात्र चिट्ठी पत्र आदि ही नहीं, महत्वपूर्ण कागज, सामान व रुपये आदि भी भेजे जाते हैं. You know children, only these letters or otherwise postcards, only this in the postal department they are not doing that work alone. So they are giving that couriers, like as a things, if we want to post now we can post, and the next if we want to send important document, that one also we can send, like property papers or otherwise some other letters, official letters. Okay, interview letters, all these letters also we can get through the post office only. And sometimes that money order, which means if suppose if we want to send the money to particular person, now we can give. So they are going to give one particular form. In that form we can fill, and this much amount we are sending, like that we are giving in that form. Whatever the amount is there, that one we are giving to that we are giving in the post offices. So how much amount we had given, they are taking that amount and they are going to pass that amount to that particular person. Okay, so not only they are passing the letters, they are passing the cards or otherwise any emergency, they are taking the amounts also, they are taking the things also. ओके, डाकू व लुटेरे उन्हें लूट सकते हैं. सो मे बी द चांस विल बी देयर, द रॉबर्स दे कैन कम एंड दे कैन अटैक ऑन देम एंड दे कैन टेक द what are the valuable, suppose valuable things are there means they can take. Okay, and what are the amount they are having, that money or the amount. Okay, so that one is also they can take, like the chances are also will be there. व जान आदि का खतरा भी उन्हें सदैव रहता है. So every day that khatra, which means that problem will be there to face. Okay children, so have you all understood? No? Okay, next question. We'll see the next question. किन स्थानों पर अभी भी हरकारों का सहारा लिया जाता है? As before I told, the harkaras where they are working mostly. Okay, so where they are working mostly, where where the places it is not going to reach very easily. Okay, so in the places like mountain regions or otherwise valleys, okay, like hill stations, so the way it is not easy to go. Okay, it is not having like as a smooth way. Okay, so otherwise they are living in that map also we can't able to we were unable to show that point, this is this place like that. Okay, so that places they are working. सो फॉर दैट आंसर दैट इज ओनली दुर्गम पहाड़ी इलाकों डाक पहुंचाने के लिए अभी भी हरकारों का सहारा लिया जाता है. सो दुर्गम इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, कठिन रोड. ओके, सो इन दैट वेज एंड द नेक्स्ट दैट एज आई टोल्ड माउंटेन रीजन्स, सो नाउ आल्सो दे आर दीज हरकारेस दे आर वर्किंग टू सेंडिंग द लेटर्स. ऐसे स्थान जहां किसी वाहन का पहुंचना लगभग असंभव हो वहां हरकारे की डाक लेकर जाते हैं, हरकारे ही डाक लेकर जाते हैं. सो एज आई टोल्ड नो इट इज वेरी difficult, we were unable to show the particular place in that map, like the places also there. So like the difficult places are there in our country. So in like the places also they the vehicle is also it is not possible to go there. Okay, so like the places they are going and these harkares they are working to the they are working to send the letters. Okay, so like these harkares they are doing the work to the particular places. Okay children, so up to this much we had learned, and what are the previous questions that the Bhuttar put the heading and write this gagha question and answers in your classwork notebook. Okay children, thank you all of you. धन्यवाद बच्चों, हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में, और अगले सेशन में हम लोग बाकी के जो प्रश्न हैं उसको भी देखते हैं और उसको भी आप लोग लिख लीजिएगा. ठीक है, जिस दिन मैंने वर्क दिया है उस दिन ही आप लोग खत्म कर लीजिएगा, कोई भी पेंडिंग ना रखने का. ठीक है, तो टी हरीश एंड नेक्स्ट अनिकेत दश और स्वयंप्रीत वेदश्री सूर्या, तो आप सब लोग इसको कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. हम लोग मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. नेक्स्ट क्लास